Okay, in this section, we're going to be translating sine and cosine functions. So it's going to be in this general format. We've done something like this in the past. So in this case, the A is going to be a vertical stretch. The H is going to shift left and right. And the K is going to shift up and down. Okay, so this H is called a phase shift, right? We just say up and down, and this is our vertical stretch. Okay, let's take a look at one that we've done in the past. Okay, so in an earlier chapter, we've done an equation like this. We should know this is a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. This is going to be a shift to the right by 4. And this is going to shift so this is a parabola. We've done these in the past. And this is going to shift the parabola down 1. Okay, so let's take a look at how it looks like with the sine and cosine function. Okay, let's take a look at this example. So this 2 is going to be a stretch by a factor of 2. The pi over 3 is going to be a shift to this is going to go left by pi over 3. And the 1 is going to be shift up 1 unit. Okay, so this is what these each mean. So this is going to stretch by a factor of 2. This one's going to shift it. Remember, it's going to be x minus whatever this is. So that means this is going to go to the left. So we have a minus and a minus make a plus. And this is going to shift it up or down. So inside the parentheses, moves it left and right, opposite direction. This is going to move it up and down. Okay, so let's take a look at how it affects the graph. So in the red, I have our normal graph of sine. So this time I'm going to start with this. We're going to shift it pi over 3. So I'm going to start over here. We're going to have the same period. So it's going to be this shifted over. That would take care of this phase shift. So phase shift to the left by pi over 3. Now the 2 is going to make it twice as tall. And it's going to shift up 1. So we go left. So I cut these into thirds. 1/3, 2/3, and this is 3/3 is pi. So we're going to go shift to the left pi over 3 here. We're going to go up 1. And our, what's this called? Our amplitude is going to be 2. So it's going to go 2 up and 2 down. So it's going to end here. The middle is now here. So it's going to go 2 up all the way to 3. And then it's going to go down all the way to -1. And repeat. So there we go. So this shifts it to the left pi over 3. This shifts it up 1. And then this is a vertical stretch, so it's going to go up 2 and down 2. Right? So your amplitude is 2 here. And sometimes it'll look the same as, and this will continue on forever. So we can keep doing this like this. Okay. So that's how the graph changes. Shift left and right, shift up and down, and vertical stretch. All right, so that's all you're going to need to know for your homework.